A forest clearing in Estonia's Viu County has been reconsidered into a space of meditation, relaxation and community engagement through the installation of 3 giant wooden megaphones. Interior architecture students at the Estonian Academy of Arts have conceived the idea of a forest library near RMK's P9 Nature Center, where the quiet sounds of chirping birds and rustling leaves are amplified to surrounding site visitors. The interventions, titled Ruyub, span 3 meters in diameter, offering those seated and lying within ample space for reading or resting. Additionally, the conical shapes offer potential shelter for a wanderer or modest hiker to spend the night, as well as provide a platform for outdoor classrooms.